Installing Caséta smart lighting control is easy. You'll need at least one in-wall or plug-in dimmer, a Pico remote, a smart bridge, and the Lutron app. You don't need to worry about bulb types. Caséta works with dimmable LEDs and all halogens and incandescent bulbs. If you're using dimmable LEDs, check out our bulb compatibility list to find the best bulb for your dimmer. Before you start, make sure you have a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and pliers. 3 steps to success. Step 1. Install the dimmer. If you're using a plug-in dimmer, just plug it in. If you're replacing a switch, turn off the power to the switch at the breaker. Remove your old switch and install the Caséta dimmer. This takes about 15 minutes. You can find instructions for installing a 3-way switch, 2 or more switches that control one light, at casetawireless.com/support. Step 2. Plug in the smart bridge and connect it to your Wi-Fi router. Step 3. Download the free Lutron app and follow the instructions. If you have Pico remote controls, you can easily add them to your system via the app. Then get creative with personalizing your lighting control. And if you decide you want more dimmers, you can add them whenever you want. Have questions? Call our US-based 24/7 customer support line anytime at 1-844-LUTRON1. Welcome home to peace of mind.